Hi guys, welcome to our presentation. The report name is Analysis of Hospital Data for the subject ITEC 1103. The group members are Rahul Ahuja, Usman Liaquat and Sajida Khan. The first part will be explained by Sajida.
Hey, in this presentation, we have analyzed the data by creating the different pie charts, bar graphs, and geomapping as well as cluster analysis. So here we analyze the different regions with respect to patient numbers, diseases, diagnosis groups, and days, as well as we have shown the trend of patient admission in the year of 2011 and 12. In addition to that, we have also shown the top departments with respect to gender and patient number, and the active and inactive period of the year. Moreover, we have analyzed the top cities with respect to patient number, top department in the hospital, as well as we have shown the trend of diagnosis group over the months. In addition to that, we have created geomap and cluster analysis of patient numbers. In this pie chart, we can see there are different regions, but we have analyzed the most common diagnosis group, which is the AMI, and the least common is COPD. In this bar graph, we can see the top regions of with respect to highest female number, named as region 11, 8, and 3. In this graph, we have analyzed the most and least common diseases with respect to diagnosis groups. There are three groups: CHF, MI, and COPD. In case of CHF group, congestive heart failure is the most common disease, and chronic obstructive asthma is the least common disease. And in COPD, obstructive chronic bronchitis is the most common, and chronic airway obstruction is the least common. But in case of MI group, there is one disease which is pneumonia. Here in this pie chart, we can see the top departments with respect to patient number, named as the heart, general med, HOSP 46, oncology, and transplant department. They have highest number of patients among all. And
Oh yeah, over
rest of
here
the
we will see
slides.
over here we will see the top regions with respect to average ICU days spent in hospital. We can see that region 11 has the most days that has been spent in ICU, while the region 3 hospitals has the minimum number of ICU days spent. Over here also we will see that admit of male and female trends. So we can see in this section, in this graph, that with the female section, the maximum um, trend was observed on 4th of December 2012, while the least was observed on 8th of Jan 2012. While in male section, it is observed that the highest trend was observed on 26th of December 2011, while the least was observed on 3rd May 2012. Over here, we will see hospitals having patients with respect to asthma. In this section, it is in this graph, it is observed that there are various hospitals having asthma patients, while the maximum patients are observed in hospital 35, while the least has been observed in hospital 15. As we all know, there are multiple patients available in all the cities, and we can see the number of cities available over here. The Delray Beach has the highest number of patients, while the least patients were observed in Miami Beach City.
All right, guys, I will take it from here. So in this graph, we can see the trend of different diagnosis groups over the months. And this graph shows that CHF and AMI groups have highest patient in the March. while COPD has highest patients in the month of January. And rest of the graph is pretty much similar. Moving on to the next slide. Patients admitted as per diagnosis group. So there are three um, diagnosis groups which we are studying in this report, and we can see that in most patients are admitted in CHF diagnosis group, whereas COPD has the least number of patients. And similarly, if we compare the operations done in each diagnosis group, we can see that most of the operations were conducted for the heart patients, and the least of the operations were related to transplant. And this is a decision tree representing the main factor involved in heart-related diseases. So I use three main factors for different patients. First of all, it's age, then their gender and their race. And we can see that patient age is the most effective factor in the heart rate, because most of the heart disease patients are over 64 or maybe equals to 64. Here we can see the geomap of hospitals for which we are analyzing the data, and most of them are very close to this area where we can see near Bahamas. And here is the analysis, cluster analysis of patient related data, and they are grouped based upon their gender, based on their race and their age. And if we compare between the white and the black race, most of the diseases are most of the patients are actually from the white race according to this graph. And that's pretty much it. And in the end, we have some recommendations. And we could add more diagnostic groups, special facility for the females, and there are some other recommendations based upon the analysis we conducted while making this report. Thank you.